Hello and welcome to our video on the advantages and disadvantages of the stock market. The stock market is a popular investment avenue for many people, but like any investment, it comes with its own set of pros and cons. In this video, we will be discussing the advantages and disadvantages of the stock market to help you make an informed decision about investing in it. Advantages. Let's start with the advantages of the stock market. 1. Potential for high returns. The stock market offers the potential for high returns, which means you can earn a lot of money if you invest wisely. Historically, the stock market has returned an average of around 10% per year, which is much higher than other investment options such as bonds or savings accounts. 2. Liquidity. The stock market is highly liquid, which means you can easily buy and sell stocks whenever you want. This makes it easy to convert your investments into cash when you need it. 3. Diversification. Investing in the stock market allows you to diversify your portfolio by investing in different companies across various sectors. This can help reduce your overall risk and increase your chances of making a profit. 4. Accessibility. The stock market is accessible to everyone, regardless of their income level. You can start investing with as little as $50, making it a great option for those who want to start investing but don't have a lot of money. I found a best website for you all which will help you to guide investing in stock market. Check the link in description. Disadvantages. Now let's look at the disadvantages of the stock market. 1. Volatility. The stock market is highly volatile, which means it can experience rapid fluctuations in value. This can be risky for investors who are looking for stable returns. 2. Risk. Investing in the stock market involves risk, and there is always the possibility that you could lose money. It's important to understand that there are no guarantees when it comes to investing in the stock market. 3. Time-consuming. Investing in the stock market requires a lot of time and effort. You need to do your research, monitor your investments, and make decisions based on market trends. 4. Complexity. The stock market can be complex, especially for those who are new to investing. It requires a good understanding of financial markets, economic indicators, and the fundamentals of the companies you're investing in. Conclusion. So, there you have it, the advantages and disadvantages of the stock market. As with any investment, there are risks involved, but the potential rewards can be significant. It's important to do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and invest wisely. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you a better understanding of the stock market. Thank you for watching.